In Stacking Up today, Todd Bubba Horwitz joins me now with his trade of the day. It is our final trade on the show, so thank you.
What's up?
We can't wait to hear what you have to say.
I can't wait to hear what I have to say.
You're watching the NASDAQ, and the NASDAQ is making news this week.
The NASDAQ has obviously been making news. Is this 1999 all over again? I mean, we're having just pretty incredible moves. NASDAQ volatility, the VXN, has made an all-time low. Not just a recent low, but in the history low of this. And I've been targeting in the QQQ.
Which tracks the NASDAQ.
Which tracks the NASDAQ. 132.90. There's a lot of ways to play this because the volatility is so low that almost every options trade in the QQQ is very reasonably priced. Now just remember one thing, option trades are never cheap, they're fairly priced because they're getting priced by market makers, but the volatility is very low, so you get a discounted price at this point.
And you're also shorting NVIDIA.
I do like shorting NVIDIA as well. I think that, you know, when it printed down to 95 after earnings, I thought that 110 was a great level, and that's where we hit 110. And now I think we start to head lower. I think this is a little bit higher risk trade than the Qs, but it's also a very volatile stock. Even in a low vol environment, this stock moves up and down very quickly, and I think we're going to see probably 100 in a matter of days, just the way that this stock trades. So I'd like to sell this at 110, and you can use, again, various numbers of strategies here. The best way to do it would be just to buy a straight put if you're not familiar with options. If you are familiar with options, you'd probably want to use some sort of a spread like a back ratio to take away some of the cost of the option. So you can defer some of the volatility by doing a back spread there.
And Bubba's strategy is always to have a long-term pile of money that he has safe and sound someplace, and then he has his trading money.
100%. I never sell the market.
Thank you for coming on the show.
I'm glad to be here.